Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to enable or disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on your Android phone. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, go to find your Google Chrome. Tap on it to open it up. Wait for it to load, and then once it loads, go to the top right, tap on the three dots, and then just go ahead over to Settings at the very bottom. Okay, so tap on Settings, and then once done, we are going to find Site Settings section. So scroll down, again, scroll down, and here we have Site Settings. Tap on it, and once you tap on it, scroll all the way down until you find Intrusive Ads under Content. Now go ahead and tap on it and make sure that ads are blocked on sites known to show intrusive or misleading ads. And by going to the same exact settings, you can allow or disable your ad blocking feature to allow ads right here. So just toggle it on if you want to. Now, do take note that this is not, or this doesn't target disruptive ads. Standard banners and video ads will still show up. And if you want a completely ad-free browsing experience on Android, Chrome does not support extensions like ad blocking extensions, okay? You know what I mean. But you can go ahead and use it on the computer version of Google Chrome. So if you want me to create a video about using an ad blocking browser or setting up a private DNS so you could go ahead and turn off the ads, well, just go ahead and let me know in the comments below. But that's it for now. That is how you enable or disable ad blocker in Google Chrome on Android. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.